Okay, our next question type is which graph represents the system of inequalities? So read your language. Okay, so we have two equations and one of those matches the equations. Okay, the first step is to go here. Okay, so go ahead and here's English, Spanish. If you need to pause it to read this, go ahead and read it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to try 0, 0 to see if it's the solution for both equations. So I'm going to go back over here and I'm going to take 0 and put it there and 0 there and see if it's true. So 0 less than 0 times negative x, that's still 0 minus 1. So is 0 less than negative 1? No, it's not. Okay, so no, it's not. So that means it's not a solution to these equations right here. So what does that mean? It means that it should not, 0, 0 should not be in the gray area. Because remember, the gray area is a solution to both. Okay. Remember, solutions to both are in gray. Okay, so go ahead and read that. So that means that 0, 0 is not a solution. So that means that 0, 0 should not be in gray. So maybe, but here it's in the gray area, but we know it's not a solution, not. So that means A is gone, okay? Bye-bye. So 0, 0, gray, nope, not a solution. But here it's not, okay? So now we want to find a, so it's either C or D, okay? Okay, so the next step, step 2 right here. So go ahead and find your language and pause the video and read it. Okay, so go ahead and pause the video, read your language. Okay, pause the video. Okay, so now step number 2, we're going to find a point that's in the shaded area. So let's go back over here. So it's either going to be, so right here, like for example, this is one point, like here, this is right here. Let's try this point right here. This is in the shaded area. So what is this? This is 0 for x and negative 3 for y. So we're going to take these equations over here, right? And we're going to go y negative 3 less than, so this is, remember, this is the y, this is the x, less than x is 0, so negative 0, minus 1. So is negative 3 less than negative 1? Yes, that's true. So now let's try the other equation right here. So we're going to go y is negative 3 is greater than 1/3 times 0. So that's just 0 plus 3. Is negative 3 greater than 3? No, it's not. So that means this is not a solution. So that means it's got to be in the white area. So that would be choice D. So this one is not. So choice D. That's how you find it.